Hey family, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are doing a refresh today. So I am tackling this bathroom. I have been kind of surface cleaning this bathroom for a few weeks now and not doing like a deep clean. And what I noticed is one of my sinks, because I have two sinks in the bathroom, one of them like got filled with stuff, like my makeup, combs, regular everyday stuff that I use. So today I am going to completely tidy up this bathroom and do a refresh so that my week can feel productive. So family, if this is your first time seeing me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and please go ahead and share, tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel. And if you enjoy DIYs, if you enjoy interior design, and if you enjoy lifestyle videos, go ahead and stick around. Guys, let's have a conversation down in the comments and tell me how you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try my best not to talk too much in the video, and I am going to just let you guys enjoy like I was enjoying. I have my playlist going and I got my music just setting the vibe for me, and I'm about to get into this clean to reset my week. Okay guys? I am trying to find out for the life of me when I accumulated all this stuff on top of this counter. Like, there's literally too much stuff on this counter. I have too much stuff. Like, I'm annoyed with my own self. And guys, you don't want to see my closet. Like, babe was like, Judith, do you see how many bags you have? Like, I don't know what to do with myself no more. I ain't gonna lie to you. I have stopped, but I don't know when I accumulate all this stuff. Like, geez whiz. So family, I am basically saying, where did I accumulate all these perfumes from? But I do have one that's my favorite, and it's this one, the Jo Malone. Like, I love this. I literally wear it every day. Then I have two that babe got for me. Those are, seem to me to be more like if you're going out for an evening or you're going on a date or something. But outside of that, like, I just love my Jo Malone. And if I want a scent that's gonna take me like throughout the entire day, then I go for my Marc Jacobs. But my Jo Malone is my go-to every day. Okay, on to this bathtub. So the person that uses this bathtub is the person that needs to be cleaning it. And that person is baby Zyla. Like, she's the only person that uses this bathtub. Like, golly. And she leaves all her toys in there. She, like, the last time she used it, I think she was eating banana or something, and it messed it up. So what I just show you is called Dettol. If you don't know what that is, I mostly see it like in the Caribbean. That's what we use in the Caribbean. So when you want to take a bath and you want to get all the germs and stuff off of you, that's what it does. Like, we use it to take baths with, to make your skin feel like really, really clean, all that germs and all that stuff. So it is a good, I normally like put a little bit of it in the tub when baby Zyla is going in there to take her bath, or you know, sometimes I put her in there for her to play just a little bit. But yeah, this is baby Zyla's zone, and she needs to be the one that's cleaning this, not me. And one of these days I'm gonna give her that machine and I'm gonna say, come and clean your little tub out. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, and nobody don't say nothing. Oh gosh, but I do need to start using this tub more. I do get in there with her sometimes, but I need to start using this more because I'm all into self-care right now, and self-care is a part of this. And I'm gonna test out my bath bombs that I made. I haven't shown them to you guys yet because I'm still trying to like pin down my formula. Onto my toilet room, or what you would call the water closet. So this area is small. You guys gonna see what I end up doing. I've always wanted to take down those shelves. I was like so over them. I wanted them to come down. Some of them, like the top one was like leaning down, both of them, because they were not on a stud. So I guess after being there over the couple years, they just was giving out. So I've been wanting to take those down, and I finally did it today. I took them down, and you guys have seen the end, how I styled my water closet. Nobody say that in there shouldn't look beautiful. It needs to look beautiful as well. Okay guys, so this piece right here, I have this piece for a few years good now, and this is when I had a lot of turquoise in my house, and now this is like the only piece of turquoise item that I have left in the house. And this is why I tell you guys, don't buy these type of color things when they're trending in furniture pieces, because after they're out, it's like, where are you gonna put this? Like, it's in here, and that's where baby Zyla stand up to brush her teeth. Guys, we are all done with the bathroom. So I am going to show you guys how I first styled the bathroom when I was done. And if you guys are interested in that lighter, you can get it at Jack Essential Candles. So this is how I had my tub with my bamboo tray and everything. I always wanted to update it, but I think because baby Zyla uses it so much, I never did. And then this is how I did the bathroom in the water closet. Sorry. On to the bedroom. So as you can see, I'm enjoying my music. My bedroom, it don't have much in here to do besides pack away some clothing that was washed. I finally washed this sheet, and I just need to fold it up, put it in the one closet, and then have it put up. I was trying to put it up and it kept falling down, so I eventually got babe to put it up for me. My bed, I make my bed every morning. So every morning when I get out the bed, I make my bed. So I didn't have much to do in this space. What I did have to do is I needed to clean the floor. When I cleaned the space the week before, like I normally do this on a Saturday, I didn't get a chance to do the floor because I had to stop to go do something, and I just never got back to it. So I saw it all week, and I was like, I'll deal with that when I'm cleaning again. So guys, this sofa, would you guys believe, if you guys remember when I got this sofa, I was telling you guys I wish I could have gotten it like in a cream color. Do you know they now have it available in a cream color? And when we asked the manufacturer, they said no, the color I was seeing was a pink blush, and it doesn't come in a lighter color. Well, they made it in a cream off-white color, and yeah, I'm peeved. But this sofa, I love it. It's extremely easy to clean. Baby Zyla, she eats on it, she does everything on it, and all I have to do is wipe it off. So this it's like a microfiber violet. Did I say violet? Did I say that right? I don't know if I said that right, but velvet, that's the word. I'm like, that didn't sound right. So it's like a velvet color fabric, and it's very easy to wipe off. So I really don't have any issues with it. It was a very, very good buy. And it's I crack myself up. I'm trying to do this voiceover, and I'm seeing myself dancing, and I'm like, girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, but I was enjoying this music now. I was doing more dancing than I was cleaning. So this bed is very easy for me to make up every morning, especially if I'm the only one that slept in it. When it's only me, in the morning times, I have one side to make, and then I'm done like within 5 minutes. So the way I tuck my sheets and everything, I literally don't have to do too much every morning. So onto the floor. So like I said, I did not get to sweep the floor. So it's real dusty. Before I left, it was dusty, and when I got back, and like I said, I was trying to tidy up last week, I didn't get to do the floor. So this is like 2 weeks, of dirt I am here sweeping off the floor. And what I'm noticing with my carpet mat underneath, it creates a lot of dust. So I have to remember to not ever buy this particular one again. So guys, on to my real refresh. This is the real refresh. So this is what I did, and I will show you guys a full view of what I did in the water closet, along with in the my tub area. So this is what I end up doing. I was not happy, was not satisfied how I had the picture just sitting on top of the toilet, and I decided to put this shelf there, and this is how I styled it. And guys, look at my tub. I just have to move that every time baby Zyla is about to take her bath, but that is fine. I'm not happy with the way it's styled right now, but
Okay, family, so let me tell you where I got everything from. I got this shelf from Home Depot, and the 2 brackets, those are from Home Depot. It was a 36-inch long, and this is 31 and like a quarter. So I did cut it down to meet the 31. Okay. To cut it, I didn't show you guys how I cut it. Well, I cut it on this side, and you can't see that I cut it. What I did is I put a piece of tape, blue tape on it, so when I go through with the machine wouldn't have chipped the veneer on it. Okay, and then I got this little basket from Target. It was $6.99. I got this candle. I was in love with the scent of these candles, and I bought it so that I can see if I can copy that scent. And I also love the container. When the container, however, is finished, when I'm finished burning this candle, I am going to use it in my kitchen as a salt holder. It says salt. That's the name of the candle. That's what I really loved about it. This artwork, I got it from, actually I have 2 of these. I got it from Ross, and they were $17.99. I've always had this plant back here, and I don't know where I got that from. I think I probably got it from Ross years ago. And then this little tray, let me show you this little tray. This little tray, I got that little tray. So this is the cover for the candle, guys. It actually goes on top and it squeezes down. So I'm leaving it off because it's giving a nice aroma in here with the candle open. But yeah, I got this tray from Target, and definitely this diffuser is from Jag Essential Candles. So that's it for in here where I got everything from. So basically, to do this mini, what you'll call a makeover, cost, let's say, about $40. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about this one now. It's not decorated how I want it to be decorated, but I'll eventually get that done or figure out how I want it to be done. I haven't figured it out yet. But the tray, I got the tray from Amazon. I will link it in the description. I always had this plant. That's from Target. I bought that years ago. This container right here, I got that from Target, and that was $8.99. And this is another one of the candles from the Heart. What is this again? Heart and something. I should know this. Heart and Hand line. This one name is Willow, and it smells so good. I always had this, I always had this, I always had that, I always had that. Okay, and I always had that. So that's what I got going on right here. Like again, I said it's not decorated. But I really like it. It's way longer than the bamboo one that I had here, and the bamboo one was quite kind of narrow because these never used to even sit properly inside of it. But yeah, so that's where I got everything from, and that's my little makeover that I have going on for my bath. Okay, family, so here is the final view of how the space turned out. I am very happy with the water closet, and I love this acrylic tray that I got. So I would say yes to buying it, and it comes in different colors. So guys, my water closet, I think it turned out really, really good. I love how in there smells. I wish you guys could smell it. And guys, don't ever neglect these rooms like this. These type of rooms, don't neglect them, okay? So guys, I will see you guys on my next upload. And don't forget that we are pressing forward for 2023. Bye.